Hi, welcome back. I have to warn you, this video might give you whiplash because it feels like I'm working on two projects and jumping between them. Just keep watching, it'll make sense. It started with this resin mold. It, it started with this resin mold. I'd been eyeing it for a while and finally decided to give in and give it a chance. Would this take a lot of resin? Yes. But as it turns out, our resin is going bad, so we have to use it up anyway. I poured out the first layer of resin. I'm sure it looks like there's nothing in there, but here's a side by side. While that cured, I started working on the wood part of the tabletop. I salvaged some pieces of wood and marked out various lengths. When that was done, I Goldilocks my way through 3 different saws till I sucked up my fear of the electric and settled on the jigsaw. Who knew it was this easy to use? It's like using my mom's impulse buy of an electric bread knife in the 90s. I sanded them even, cleaned, and moved on to laying them out. I played around with many different orientations and layers. It was actually calming and fun. When I was done, I realized I was indeed not done with the cutting. So I made a few more cuts before moving on to gluing and clamping. While the glue dried, I moved on to the leg. I envisioned a curvy leg. I made a template and traced the shape onto a piece of timber. With my newfound power of the jigsaw, I cut out the curves. Looking at it now, I think I would have done with more curves. Maybe next time. I stained the wood top and the legs and let them dry. As that was drying, I put the second layer of resin. Initially, I put these dried up flowers, but after a while, I pulled them out. The second layer was also laced with glitter and black pigment. In hindsight, I'd do that as a third and final layer, not in the middle. I tagged Edward in here because while I was enjoying the jigsaw, I'm still not confident I can cut joints. He did his thing and the two parts fit together so well. He also told me to tell you to like this video. While the third and clear layer of resin cured, I put 2 coats of poly sealer on the leg. This is when the doubt began to set in. I love both parts of this project and I don't know if they work well together. I'm thinking of incorporating this leg on a coffee table instead and then buying those popular pin legs for the tabletop. What do you think? Help me decide, please, please. Subscribe to see the huge project Edward has been working on. It is so good. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.